Welcome back to CodeChef. Have you ever needed to store information that has a clear label, like a person's name, age, or city? While lists use numerical positions, what if you could organize your data by a meaningful name instead? Today, we're diving into a powerful data structure that does exactly that. Dictionaries. Think of a dictionary like a physical dictionary you use to look up words. You don't ask for the word on page 50. You look up the word itself. That word is your key, and the definition you find is the value. Dictionaries in Python work the exact same way. They let you access a piece of information using a descriptive label, not a numerical index. In this tutorial, you will learn the following essential concepts: how to create a dictionary, how to access values using keys, how to modify and add key-value pairs, the key rules for using dictionaries. A dictionary is an unordered collection of data stored in key-value pairs. It's defined using curly braces. Each pair contains a key, which is a unique identifier, and a value, which is the data associated with that key. The key and value are separated by a colon, and pairs are separated by commas. Think of it like a label and its data. The key can be a string, a number, or a tuple, but it must be unique and immutable. The value can be anything: a string, a number, a list, or even another dictionary. Let's create a dictionary to store a student's profile. We can then access values by placing the key in square brackets. To get the student's name, we use student name. To modify a value, we just assign a new value to an existing key, like changing the student's grade. We can also add a new key-value pair simply by assigning a value to a new key. Now, for removing items. The del keyword completely removes a key-value pair. The pop method removes a specific key and also returns its value, so you can save it. The popitem method is handy if you just need to remove the last item from the dictionary. Before you access a key, it's good practice to check for its existence using the in keyword to avoid a key error. Finally, you can use the len function to get the number of key-value pairs in your dictionary. So, where do we use dictionaries in the real world? User profiles. Dictionaries are perfect for storing user data like usernames, email, and passwords. Game development. Storing character stats like health, strength, and inventory items. Dictionaries are one of the most versatile data structures in Python, used in almost every application. Now it's your turn. The challenge is to create a dictionary named Favorite Movies. The keys should be the movie titles, and the values should be their genres. We've got 3 movies for you: Inception, The Godfather, and Toy Story. To solve this, we'll use curly braces to create our dictionary. Inside, we'll write each key, the movie title, in quotes, followed by a colon, and then the value, the genre, also in quotes. Now, we'll use the print function to display the dictionary. A single line is all we need to display all the information in our dictionary. Nicely done. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Dictionaries store data in key-value pairs. They are unordered and defined with curly braces. We access values using their keys, not a number. They are perfect for storing labeled data. Mastering dictionaries is a huge step in your coding journey. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.